Initially, the reason is to tell people that, hey, we introvert can sell too. We can succeed in the sales career as well. And then when I continue to do this, I realized that, hey, this can be something to encourage those who are considering sales as a career. You can really make a decent amount of money in sales. If you master this skill, you can make what others are making in a month in just one night. Wow! Isn't it cool? Isn't it awesome? If it's about making money, there's no real meaning to it. Okay, no purpose at all. Eventually, I found out that, hey, while we are selling, we are improving human lives. We are helping other people. That's the nutshell of sales. We are helping other people. And this is the message that I want to send across. We are helping people. We are elevating humanity through sales. There are many other ways to help to build and elevate humanity. Innovating new products, being a counselor, being a therapist. There are many ways to improve quality of life. And sales is also one of it. Because without sales, without that channel of sales, the new products doesn't get to the consumer that helps to elevate their lifestyle. We are the bridge between the consumer and the products or services. That's what the Introvert Sales Guy is all about. Elevating humanity through sales.